What if I told you? The only thing standing between you and your wildest dreams is you. Not money, not circumstances, not other people, just you. The power to transform your life rests in your hands in this very moment. Every great success, every fulfilled dream begins with a simple thought. I can. It's a spark of belief that ignites the fire within. And that fire, my friend, is what fuels the journey from where you are to where you're meant to be. Today we're going to uncover the roadmap to turning your biggest dreams into your everyday reality. Get ready to unleash the power within and create a life that truly sets your soul on fire. Step 1. See it. Close your eyes and picture the life you want. What does it look like? Feel it. Who's by your side? Don't hold back. Let your imagination run wild. This is your vision, your masterpiece. The more vivid you make it, the more real it becomes. And what's in your mind will shape your reality. You're sending a powerful message to your mind. Now open your eyes, but keep that vision burning bright. Hold on to that feeling of excitement, of possibility. You're about to embark on a journey that will transform your life. A dream without a plan is just a wish. It's like setting out on a cross-country road trip with no map, no GPS, just a vague idea of where you want to end up. You might get lucky, but chances are you'll end up lost and frustrated. So, let's create a roadmap to your success. Break down your big, audacious goals into smaller, actionable steps. What can you do today, tomorrow, this week to move closer to where you want to be? Don't get overwhelmed by the enormity of your vision. Remember, even the tallest skyscraper is built one brick at a time. Focus on the immediate steps, the small victories that will propel you forward. Write down your goals, both big and small. There's power in putting pen to paper, in making a commitment to yourself. Review these goals regularly and track your progress. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. Remember, a plan is not set in stone. Life throws curveballs, and you need to be flexible and adaptable. But having a plan gives you direction, a sense of purpose, and a framework for making decisions. Ask yourself, what resources do I need to achieve my goals? Do you need to acquire new skills, build new relationships, or seek out mentors? Identify the gaps and create a plan to bridge them. Don't be afraid to ask for help. No one achieves greatness alone. Surround yourself with people who believe in your vision and are willing to support you on your journey. Remember, this is your life, your journey. Take control and chart your own course. The world is full of possibilities for those who dare to dream big and plan accordingly. You are a creature of habit. Every single day you make choices, big and small, that shape your destiny. The question is, are your habits working for you or against you? Building empowering habits is the key to unlocking your full potential. It's about aligning your daily actions with your long-term vision. It's about making small, consistent efforts that compound over time, leading to extraordinary results. Start by identifying the habits that are holding you back. Are you procrastinating, making excuses, or settling for mediocrity? Once you've identified these negative patterns, create a plan to replace them with empowering ones. Focus on building habits that support your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Get enough sleep, eat nourishing foods, move your body, and make time for activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about being perfect, it's about showing up for yourself day after day, even when you don't feel like it. The more you repeat a behavior, the more automatic it becomes. Create an environment that supports your new habits. Surround yourself with positive influences, remove temptations, and set yourself up for success. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to habit formation. Listen to your body, pay attention to your energy levels, and adjust your habits accordingly. Remember, building empowering habits is a journey, not a destination. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way, but with each step you take, you're moving closer to becoming the best version of yourself. Chapter 4. Embrace failure. Let me tell you something, failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of it. Every successful person you know has faced setbacks, obstacles, and moments of doubt. The difference is they didn't let those challenges define them. Failure is an opportunity to learn, to grow, to become more resilient. It's a chance to course correct, to refine your approach, and to come back stronger than ever before. Embrace failure, don't fear it. See it as a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? How can I use this to my advantage? The most successful people in the world are often the ones who have failed the most. They're not afraid to take risks, to put themselves out there and to learn from their mistakes. Remember, success is not a straight line. It's a journey filled with twists, turns, and detours. It's about getting back up after you fall, dusting yourself off, and continuing to move forward with even greater determination. Don't let the fear of failure paralyze you. Take action, even if you're not sure of the outcome. The more you put yourself out there, the more comfortable you'll become with taking risks and embracing the unknown. Remember, every failure is a lesson learned, a step closer to success. Embrace the journey. Learn from your mistakes, and never give up on your dreams. Chapter 5. Surround yourself with greatness. You've heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Well, let me tell you, it's true. The people you surround yourself with have a profound impact on your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. If you want to achieve greatness, surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and support your growth. Seek out mentors, coaches, and friends who believe in your potential and push you to be your best self. Distance yourself from negative influences. You know who I'm talking about, the energy vampires, the naysayers, the ones who drain your energy and bring you down. You don't need that kind of negativity in your life. Remember, you become who you spend your time with. Choose wisely. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, empower you, and make you want to be a better person. Seek out relationships with people who are already where you want to be. Learn from their experiences, ask for their guidance, and model their behavior. Don't be afraid to network and build relationships with people outside your comfort zone. Attend industry events, join online communities, and reach out to people you admire. Remember, you are a product of your environment. Create an environment that supports your growth, surrounds you with positive influences, and propels you towards your goals. Chapter 6. Believe in yourself. Of all the tools you have at your disposal, the most powerful one is belief. Belief in yourself, belief in your dreams, belief in your ability to achieve anything you set your mind to. When you truly believe in yourself, anything is possible. Obstacles become opportunities, setbacks become fuel for growth, and the impossible becomes inevitable. But belief doesn't just happen overnight. It's cultivated through consistent effort, positive self-talk, and a relentless focus on your goals. Start by acknowledging your past successes, no matter how small. Remember a time when you overcame a challenge, achieved a goal, or surprised yourself with your own strength. Let those memories fuel your belief in what you're capable of. Challenge your limiting beliefs, those negative thoughts that tell you you're not good enough, smart enough, or worthy enough. Replace them with empowering affirmations. Tell yourself, I am capable, I am worthy, I am unstoppable. Remember, your thoughts create your reality. What you focus on expands. So focus on your strengths, your potential, and your unwavering belief in yourself. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, even when you doubt yourself. Their belief will become contagious, lifting you up and reminding you of your own power. And most importantly, never ever give up on yourself. There will be times when you want to quit, when you question everything, when you feel like you're not making progress. But it's in those moments that your belief in yourself matters most. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, and watch as the impossible becomes your reality. Outro, your journey begins now. Dream big. Don't let anyone tell you what you can or can't achieve. The only limits are the ones you set for yourself. Start today, not tomorrow, not next week, but right now. Take that first step, no matter how small. Momentum creates momentum, and every step you take brings you closer to your dreams. Remember, you are capable of extraordinary things. Believe in yourself, embrace the journey, and never stop reaching for the stars.